In this video, we will be dividing this polynomial by this binomial. Since it's just a variable minus a number, we can do synthetic division, which is much quicker than doing long division. So that is what we will do. So here's how synthetic division works. I will start with a box. On this same row, I will put the coefficients of the polynomial, which are 1, -9, 15, 2, and -13. Be very careful to make sure there are no missing terms. Count the exponents going in decreasing order. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Skip a row and draw a line. Put a box underneath the last column. Okay, inside the box we're going to put the opposite of this. So I have -2, so this will be a +2. Now I just bring the first number down, just drop it down, and now I'm going to multiply and add for the rest of the problem. So 1 times 2 is 2. And when I add these, I get -7. Okay, every time you multiply, you go back to the box. So -7 times 2 is -14. Add, and I get 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Add, and you get 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And when you add, that's -5. Alright, now these will be the coefficients of the quotient, or the answer to this division problem. In the box is the remainder. So since these 4 numbers are the coefficients, we need to put the variables back in. I recommend going from right to left, understanding that this number all the way on the end will be the constant, and then this will be the x term, the x squared term, and then the x to the 3rd power term. So if we were to bring these numbers down, okay, now I'm just going to put a plus in front of the positive ones. Now I'm going to put in those variables. So this is the constant, so that means this is the x term, this will be the x squared term, and this will be the x to the 3rd power term. Now as far as the remainder, we take that and we make a fraction out of it. And so normally we go plus -5 over, and we were dividing by v minus 2. But when you have a negative, rather than saying plus negative, it's considered more elegant if you just do a minus, which has the same value. Okay, we won't need the extra 1 in front of this or this. So this is what our answer should look like right here. Okay, scanning down, I'm really looking at the remainder as I pick, and I see this right away. And let's see. Oh, you know what? I used x's. They should have been v's. But you still get the idea. V to the 3rd power minus 7v squared plus v plus 4, and then there you go. So the answer is C, but these should have been v's.